und es ist Richardson, die gewinnt.
We are going to pretend we didn't see that. Let's move on.
This is Duttyberry and welcome to another countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now today I have to say this with a heavy heart. I have this to say with a heavy heart, but I have to give Caesar what is owed. And so I have to go and say congratulations to Shacarri Richardson on her win. Now the part of me like, is that she beat our queen, our defending Olympic champion Elaine Thompson-Herah in the women's 100 meter at the Luzerne's Athletic meet. Now, the part of it I feel like a bit good about this is that the time I never nothing for run home about. You get me? The time was in 11.29 seconds to Elaine Thompson-Herah's 11.30. So it's come on. I don't know really this for a run up and down boat. This is nothing for a run up and down boat. But me gonna give Shacarri this because Shacarri always find a good race them for kind of bring her back when she come off a fair commercial break them.
Die gewinnt, so wie es mir scheint, bei 2 Meter Gegenwind vor Thompson. Was war das für ein Lauf von Shacarri Richardson in New York war das noch beim Continental Tour Gold Meeting. Dort hat sie eine Wahnsinnszeit gezeigt. Auch 22:00 ist sie noch gelaufen, über 200 Meter in dieser Saison und dann die Trials mit einem frühen Ausscheiden und hier noch einmal das Duell Elaine Thompson gegen Shacarri Richardson und Mushinga Kambunchi hat da gar nicht mit.
I see him so the other day like she take a break and she just compete on one like an event and she just come back with a win because she know how the headlines and the whole PR thing is going to say that Shacarri beat the defending Olympic champion because in America, them not really always, focus on the fact at the time. They're more business about the sensationalism and the headlines. So I know say at the whole of this I got just read all of the press them over there. And so, but I forgot say, Elaine Thompson, we're now watching her face now because we know say you kind of have your injuries and I'm sure you will be back better and stronger. But go on, just rest up yourself and just go through the season step by step. The race that I'm really looking forward to is that final Diamond League event, in which I think Shacarri would be facing off with the world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce, and that is going to be one to watch. Like, I'm just hoping that Shelly-Ann Fraser will be in the best of her health and so that she can put on something spectacular for the world. But boy, me just can't look. Rain did fall, all kind of things. It wasn't the best weather, and so all of them something kind of just like mess with the race. But despite it all, I forgot big up Elaine and congratulations to Shacarri because say what you want, she adds something to the sport. Whether if it is just controversy and just the drama, sometimes these spaces we need a villain. Track and field probably need a little villain, and so if that is what Shacarri is, me just hope say her times and what she's bringing to the sport, it will really be something of quality. So when she run off her mouth like that, we can say, boy, she run off her mouth, but at the end of the day, the girl know how to reach on the podium. That is what I love to see Shacarri get to that point where people can discuss her actual talent on the track the same way how we discuss her theatrics off the track. So, Berritos, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about this race? May I put this in the same category as the race I gone before, where Elaine Thompson false start and Sharika did get one warning, and Shelly-Ann did end up cover a cramp before it. Yeah, that one in account. Like, I don't know what kind of guzums are going, but make it just go on for right now so we can get back to our prowess on the women's 100 meter.